In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the horizontal line thickness in Google Docs. But before we dive into that, let me first show you how to insert a line, which is the key starting point for today's task. So let's launch Google Docs and get started. First, what you want to do is navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. Now from the drop-down options that appear, select Table. We're going to create a table that's one cell by one cell in size. Essentially, you're placing a single cell in the middle of your document. You might be wondering, why a table? Well, this table cell is going to become our horizontal line in just a moment. Now that you see the table on your page, the next step is to transform it into a line. Click inside the cell to select it. Then make your way back up to the menu and click on Format. A menu will drop down and you want to hover over Table. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find Table Options. Go ahead and select that. You'll see that the table's default border thickness is set at 120 points, which is visible. We're going to change this, so while adjusting a few more things, what you need to do next is pay attention to the drop-down menu. Click to expand it, and here you'll want to select Bottom Border. This is because we're interested in only changing the thickness of the line at the bottom of the cell, essentially turning this cell border into our horizontal line. Once you've selected Bottom Border, head up to Border Width. Now this is where the magic happens. You can adjust the thickness to your liking. Let's say you might want the line to be 1.5 points thick for it to be visible yet sleek. Of course, you can go even thicker if that's what your document needs. Remember, this step allows for some creativity depending on the look you're going for. And while you're at it, if you're feeling like the default black isn't the right fit, you can tweak the color too. Simply click on Border Color and choose from the available palette to match the theme or mood of your document. And there you have it. That's how you adjust the thickness of a horizontal line in Google Docs. It's a handy tip that can give your document that extra touch of customization. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave any questions or comments down below, and of course, subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.